every American deserves quality, affordable health care.
A 2018 ad from Kyrsten Sinema has reemerged, showing just how full of crap she is. So this ad really is, it is the quintessential politician, promising one thing and then clearly fighting to do the opposite. So before I even show you the ad, really quickly here, this story out in the Daily Poster, and they also found the ad as well, saying here, Sinema threat followed boost from pharma group. So a pharma-backed dark money group started running ads for Kyrsten Sinema just before she threatened to take down Democrats' drug pricing plan. So Kyrsten Sinema is currently fighting against the opportunity here for Democrats to lower prescription drug prices through allowing Medicare to negotiate down prescription drugs like other countries do. One example, insulin in Canada is 10 times less than it is in the US. So right now, pharmaceuticals set the prices and people clearly are gouged because of it. Well, Kyrsten Sinema, even though she's fighting this now, back in 2018, she promised something very different.
Growing up, our family struggled to make ends meet, and we didn't have health insurance. No child should go without a doctor, and no family should be bankrupted by medical bills. We need to make healthcare more affordable, with access to the lowest cost prescriptions, and fix what's broken in the system, not go back to when Arizonans had no say about their health coverage. I'm Kyrsten Sinema. I sponsor this message because every American deserves quality, affordable healthcare.
What an incredible fraud. Incredible. In this ad, affordable healthcare, lower costs, prescriptions, fix the system. You think this is an ad from someone who supports Bernie Sanders for president, but it's Kyrsten Sinema, corporate tool. It's one thing to run on being a conservative and win as a conservative. It's another to pretend to be something you're not, and then once you're in, do the complete opposite of what you promised you would do. Sinema is on another level. I mean, Manchin doesn't pretend to be a progressive. He didn't run with ads like this, but Sinema did. And here she is fighting against even the basic, allowing Medicare to negotiate prescription drugs. So a little more on this before I end the video. From Daily Poster here, who, by the way, found that clip and did a lot of the research on this, so just credit to them. I'm a subscriber to them. Daily Poster does fantastic work. But here they say, during her career, Sinema has raked in more than $500,000 from donors in the pharmaceutical and health products industries, and she is now the 6th largest Senate Democratic recipient of campaign cash from those industries this election cycle, according to data compiled by Open Secrets. This helps you understand why Sinema is the way she is. And last thing here, of course, voters support lower prescription drug prices. I mean, I shouldn't have to show you a poll on that. It should be obvious. But in case you're wondering, there is a poll here, several polls, but here's one. West Health reporting, new polls find vast majority of voters in 4 key states, including Arizona, wants Medicare to negotiate lower drug prices. And this support is across the board. Conservatives, of course, also support this because it's a no-brainer. Of course, you want to pay less for your prescription drugs. Why should Big Pharma reap all the profits? Why should they be able to gouge Americans while being forced to negotiate down their prices in other countries? I mean, it's obvious here, but you have someone in Sinema and in Manchin and others, of course, the entire GOP, but also other Democrats as well, that have been constantly fighting against the ability for Medicare to negotiate drug prices. Yet people like Sinema claim otherwise when they're running.